Hello everyone, my name is Foyin Olajide-Bello and I'm a member of the DynamicsCon Advisory Committee. So today I want to show us two quick tips on Power Automate, very useful tips and I think they'll be very helpful to you. The first one is the templates. Templates are important because they give us already made flows which we can then customize to our needs. So for example, if you have a particular automation that you would like to do, I would advise for you to first of all come into templates, come here and run a search. So say approvals, and this shows you the different templates that are available for approval. So start an approval process and send an email on Microsoft Form submission. We can also see what type of flow it is and how many times that it has been used in the community. Another example would be tax. If you want to do something around automation of your tax, you can search for tax and you would find all the other templates that are available to you. Second thing I want to talk about is the current time available in Microsoft Power Automate. Right? The current time function, and it grabs the time at the moment, and then you can then use that current time, the output of this, into your conversion, for example. So if I edit this flow, I've gotten the current time, and if I come back here and say add, and I say time, and I say convert time zone. So if I have a flow that I'm working on that requires conversion of time zones from source and destination, this is an easy way to do it. Power Automate automatically picks your current date and time using the current time, and then you can pass the output of that into this convert time zone, stating what the base time would be your current time. So in the base time, you can easily put in the current time there. Current time, that's the output of my current time, and then you can select your source time zone where your destination time zone is. So for this example, I can say my source time zone is UTC. And my destination time zone is say Dublin, so I pick Dublin or UTC London, and then I can say my destination time zone is something else, whichever one you want. So say Nairobi. So you can pick your source time and your destination time, and then you can also format the string. So I can decide that I want my output to come in a full date and time version. So let me save this and let me test my flow manually. Test manually, run flow. And what we have as an output is the long time in Nairobi's time zone, which is GMT +3. And this is the base time zone, which is the current time that I am now in UTC, right? And that automatically converts. So this is very useful for some of the conversions and time zone type requirements that we may have in our automation. Thank you so much for listening.